Today we're going to fix the not charging problem on Samsung Galaxy A50. Let's get started. Step 1. Heat up the back cover to soften the adhesive. Step 2. Remove the back cover using a prying tool. Step 3. Remove the screws attached on the middle frame cover. Step 4. Remove the SIM card tray. Step 5. Remove the middle frame cover. Step 6. Remove the sub-board flex cable and antenna connector. Step 7. Remove the sub-board in place. Step 8. Prepare and install the new sub-board properly. Step 9. Attach the flex cable and antenna to the sub-board properly. Step 10. Attach the middle frame cover in place. Step 11. Test the charging functionality. Charging is now fully functional. Step 12. Attach the middle frame screws properly. Step 13. Place the adhesive on the middle frame contacts. Step 14. Attach the back cover in place. Step 15. Turn on the phone and insert the SIM card tray. Thank you for watching.
I'm Jackson.